Suzhou Mingstar Company Limited, as a leader in the field of filling production lines, integrates research, development, and sales, and is committed to providing customers with professional, efficient, and comprehensive filling and packaging solutions. Mingstar undertakes and customizes filling systems for various industrial applications, covering water, juice, carbonated drinks, edible oil, spirits, wine, and other fields. The products have been sold well in more than a dozen provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, and exported to America, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Asia, Africa, South America, and other countries and regions. We have established long-term strategic cooperation distribution service systems in many countries around the world, winning a good reputation and establishing a good corporate identity and brand reputation. Our team knows that only first-class equipment and excellent service can win the trust from our valuable clients. Therefore, we are always committed to providing high-quality equipment and perfect after-sales service to ensure that each customer gets the maximum return on investment. Over the years, Mingstar has been adhering to the tenet of serve customers and achieve yourself, knowing that customer satisfaction is the driving force for our progress. We will continue to work hard to provide customers with more professional, efficient, and comprehensive technologies and services. Choose Mingstar means choose more efficient and reliable filling and packaging solutions. We look forward to working with you.